the presence of Almighty. A very warm morning to respected principal and Mrs. Nair, teachers, and my dear friends. On behalf of whole kindergarten, I, Bhumika, I, Gaurav, I, Devan, welcome you all in our special assembly on Christmas. Let's begin our program by remembering the Almighty. May I request Arnavaraj of Brabbi for prayer song. From your hands, close your eyes. प्रभु की आवाज सुन मेरी आत्मा पुकारता तुझे बारंबार छोड़ दे तू बुराई का रास्ता जोड़ ले तू प्रभु से रिश्ता प्रभु की आवाज सुन मेरी आत्मा पुकारता तुझे बारंबार जीवन तूने उसी से पाया हाथ पाँव और सुंदर गाया जन जन को है तो वे सिखाना प्रभु की दया क्षमा और प्रेम महान प्रभु की आवाज सुन मेरी आत्मा पुकारता तुझे बारंबार. Thank you. Thank you, Arnav. Now Arjun of Prabbe will present thought of the day.
You are on mute. Arjun, you are on mute. Unmute yourself.
God's love is the most powerful love there is. It is God that draws us to God and motivates us to serve Him successfully. Thank you. Thank you, Arjun. Christmas is a festival of love, joy, and celebration. However, no celebrations give us true happiness if it does not have act of kindness. Let's value act of kindness through a small skit. Mom, I am home. Welcome, बेटा. Go and freshen up. मैं कुछ खाने को लाती हूँ. Mom, you know, teacher asked all the students to bring something for good Samaritan week. Oh, Good Samaritan week. That's great. Yes, Mom. Please tell me about it. It is there any story behind it? I love stories. You should also know about Good Samaritan. Yes, Mom. Please tell me about it. It is there any story behind it? I love this story. Yes, my child. This story was told by Jesus Christ to his disciples. Once Jesus Christ was preaching to his disciples. One of the disciples questioned, what made God happy? Let's value act of kindness. Jesus Christ replied, those who help their neighbors. Jesus said again, I will tell you a story. Once a man was walking on a lonely stretch of road between Jerusalem and Jericho. Suddenly, a gang of thieves and jumped out from the side of the road and surrounded him. Give us your money. Give us your money. No! No! Me! And my whole family. Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! One of the thieves picked up a rock from the side of a road and hit a man in the head. He fell to the ground. Once, after a time, a priest came walking down the road. He saw the man lying on the side of the road and crossed over to the other side as he satisfied. A long time passed. No one is there to help him. Oh, who is there coming down the road? This man was from Samaria. The people of Samaria were not friendly with the people of man's country. He was a Samaritan. They were sworn enemies of each other. But guess what? Samaritan did not hesitate when he saw the man lying by the side of the road. He didn't think about whether he should help him. He saw that this man needed help and he felt compassion. The Samaritan healed the man and bound them up with bandages made from the clothes of his own son. He gave the man a drink of water and helped him. There the Samaritan found an inn and gave money to the innkeeper to pay for the wounded man and give at the stay until he got better. Wow, it is the amazing story, Mom. But Mom, I want to know more about Jesus Christ. Now another story. Mom, a long time passed. Long ago, a young girl named Mary lived in another town of Nazareth. She was very kind and humble. People liked her very much. She was soon going to be married with a good and honest man, Joseph. Few days before Mary's engagement, a very special guest, an angel sent by God, Holy Angel Gabriel, came to her. Mary, do not afraid. I am Gabriel. God has chosen you for a very special task, as He loves you very much. I am not afraid, and I am honored as God has chosen me. Bless you, Mary. You will have a son who will be a king one day. Everyone loved him, and he will be called the Son of God. How it is possible? I am not yet married. No worries. God has planned everything for you. This child will be saved. This child will be savior of the mankind. After 2 days, Mary got pregnant. Before marriage, Joseph was a good man, and he accepted the God's wish.
क्या है?
अब 4 ही बोली.
Joseph is from Bethlehem, so they both decided to go there, but it's long way to travel. The whole journey had made by foot. After many days, they reached Bethlehem, but they did not found any place to stay. All inns are full.
Charvi, please repeat your dialogue. Please repeat your dialogue.
Joseph, I'm in pain. Please take me somewhere where I can give birth. Yes, Mary. Yes, Mary. Yes, Mary. I am searching, but there is no place. Oh, see, there is an empty barn. Take rest here. Doctor, please bed food. Mary with grass. Now guess what? Something magical happened. Mary gave birth a beautiful baby boy. Baby was Joseph made the bed for baby in the manger. Baby was comfortable in it. Oh, found the sheep in a hill. They blinded by the bright light. They opened the eyes and saw the beautiful angel. Be afraid. I have goodness for you. There's a Savior who has been born. Famous teachers. What? Really? What's a bear? And he, where is he?
Ma'am left.
ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പറയാം, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഇപ്പൊ തൽക്കാലം നിങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യും. നമുക്ക് മീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
Kishu here. Parents, thank you for your patience. Just give us a moment. We'll shortly proceed. Just give us a moment.
Please continue, Peter.
Carols are indispensable part of Christmas. We have enjoyed carol by tiny touch of nursery A. When Jesus was born. Hark, the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild. God and sinners reconciled. Joyful on ye nation rise, join the triumph of the sky. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. The high angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace by high in heaven adore, is the everlasting Lord. Let him time behold him come, offspring of a virgin womb, built in flesh the golden sea, his unguarded deity. Pleased as man to dwell, Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the hearted angels sing, glory to the newborn King, glory to the newborn King. When Jesus was born, a brand new bright star appeared in the sky. Some wise men in faraway countries saw the star and guessed what it meant. He was very famous man that historians had read in very old writings that a new star would appear when a great king was born. They set out to find the new king and meet his gift. Let's cherish this moment by a dance performance by Rupal.
యెహోవనా మొరలాలించెను తన మహాదయను నన్ను గణించెను యెహోవనా మొరలాలించెను తన మహాదయను నన్ను గణించెను అహర్ని సలదీనహీనుడగునాను ఆయనను ధ్వని గ్రహించి మలిపెను యెహోవనా మొరలాలించెను తన మహాదయను నన్ను గణించెను అనీతి వస్త్రమెడలించెను యేసునాథు రక్తమున ముంచెను అనీతి వస్త్రమెడలించెను యేసునాథు రక్తమున ముంచెను వినూత్నయత్నమిదను నీయెన్నడు గనన్వినన్ ప్రేమ నాకు చూపెను యెహోవనా మొరలాలించెను తన మహాదయను నన్ను గణించెను
Wow, mesmerizing performance. Now may I request Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Shali Nair, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you so much. Good morning, children. Good morning, dear parents and my dear teachers. Smita, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, Gaurav, thank you once again. Gaurav, Bhumika, and Devansh, the compares, you did a wonderful job. Gaurav, Bhumika, and Devash, and as usual, you were so confident, very fluently expressing your ideas, and kudos and appreciation goes to the teachers as well as the parents, Gaurav, Bhumika, and Devash. Then Arnav Raj, Arjun Singh, again, congratulations for your participation and your confidence to speak in front, of course, though virtually. Then Tashi, Aradhya, Avni, then Drona, Ayat Sheikh as Angel Gabriel. Then Charvias Mary, Satvik Sharma's Joseph, Arush Rawat, Kabir Aaron, Khatri, and your song was so beautiful, beta. Then Kartika Kala, Ayu Padwal, Aman Chaudhary, Bhavya Seth. Then finally, towards the end, by nursery children, the carol and the very beautiful Rupal and so lovely dance performance. Very gracious. Thank you, my dear child. Rupal for the wonderful dance, Kabir for the beautiful song, nursery kids for the carol, and all other participants and the children who performed during the skit and the compares. It was a very good package, and I'm so happy. The reason being, though remotely connected, virtually connected, the confidence with which the children participate in various activities, whether it is song, whether it is the speech, whether it is the dance performance, you were too awesome. Now we are waiting eagerly for the school to reopen for you too. But as you all know, आप सबको पता है कोरोना का एक दूसरा वेरिएंट, दो इतना खतरनाक अभी नहीं है, बट वो ओमिक्रॉन, उसकी डर थोड़ा सा हो रहा है हमें, नहीं तो आपको भी हम स्कूल बुला लेते. And also, I could very well understand what is Good Samaritan. Why do we celebrate Good Samaritan week? Good Samaritan कौन है? And you have explained it very beautifully. So जैसे Good Samaritan is a person who is helping others without any selfish motive. मतलब अपने बारे में सोचे बिना हमें क्या फायदा होने वाला है इसके बारे में सोचे बिना. One who is ready to help the needy people. जिनको भी तकलीफ है, दुख है, जरूरत है, उनको जो भी हेल्प करता है, and that person will be known as a Good Samaritan. So I know, my dear kids, you are Good Samaritans. And in our school, we have definitely from 2018 onwards, we have been celebrating this Good Samaritan week. So classes 3 upwards, all children contributed, their parents contributed for that initiative too. जैसे आप हमारे स्कूल में आएंगे, नहीं तो आपके आस पड़ोस में जो भी दुखी बंदा आप देखोगे, तो डेफिनेटली अभी आप अपने आप नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन आप अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलेंगे पापा मम्मा हमें इनके लिए कुछ करना है, जो भी जरूरतमंद पीपल है, दैट इज गुड समैरिटन. एंड ऑल्सो व्हाट इज द मैसेज ऑफ क्रिसमस. क्रिसमस हमें क्या सिखाता है? लव योर नाइबर्स. जैसे आप अपने आप को प्यार करते हैं या अपने बारे में सोचते हैं, सो लव योर नाइबर्स टू. Share your joy. Share your joy and happiness with others. हम अगर खुश है, हमारी खुशी दूसरों के बीच में भी बांटिए. हम अगर सुखी से जी रहे हैं, so those who are less privileged, जो जिनके पास कोई खाने के लिए नहीं है, कोई कपड़ा भी दो, अभी देखो इतना विंटर हो रहा है, उनको वार्म क्लोथ्स नहीं है, अगर हमारे पास शेयर करने के लिए है तो we need to do it. So like any other festival, any other religion, all religions, whether it is Hindu religion, whether it is Islam, Christianity, Buddha, Sikh, any religion, everything teach the same. Love your neighbors, share your joy, and please extend a helping hand to others. जो भी दुखी बंदा है उनको help करना चाहिए. And I'm so happy your overall development is happening. Your academic activities are going on very smoothly. Academics के साथ, पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आप activities में भी participate कर रहे हैं. And I take this opportunity to appreciate all my teachers along with very supporting parents. Dear parents, without your support, we could not have done this. Of course, teachers are trying their level best, but your timely support, because we are remotely connected and these children have never been to school, and now their kindergarten wing is also very beautiful classrooms now. So some more activity areas, everything we are ready, but only thing waiting for the situation to be better. Situation और थोड़ा सा सुधरे, आप सबको स्कूल में आएंगे. मैं सोच रही हूँ एक बार रिजल्ट से पहले, अगले साल से पहले कम से कम एक PTM सेशन में section wise या batch wise you will be called. Anyway, let that happen in the new year. I wish you in advance, all of you, Merry Christmas and a very fruitful, healthy and safe Happy New Year. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, children, and thank you, my dear parents.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, Sakshi, Smita, Monica, Gayatri. If I missed anyone else, the teachers and all the parents, and if anybody would love to say one or two sentences on behalf of the parents, it would be nice. Otherwise, I have some appointments also. So I wanted to join this assembly. So I have asked them to wait. Some people are waiting for me. If any one of the parents would love to say something, then I would be here for a minute too.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and dear parents, and all my kids. It's really nice, and Samita ma'am, and especially Samita ma'am and Monica ma'am, they work very hard. Every day they go to the school and come to the school, they come to the practice, and we all enjoy with our kids. So thank you so much, ma'am, for that. And it's all happened because of ma'am. And hands off to you also. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was really, see, your support, your cooperation, our only aim is to give the best to the children and to the community. And it's so lovely to hear you. And of course, there are some shortcomings, but that we will be improving. Let the things be better. Otherwise, it was lovely to hear you. I hope it was Aradhya's mother. Who was that? Or Gaura's, who was that? Aradhya's mother or someone else? May I know?
Yes, ma'am. Aradhya's mother.
Aradhya's mother. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. So lovely to hear you as usual. So we are waiting for you to come back to school. With your permission, let ma'am take a leave. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you so much, parents, for the wonderful assembly. Thank you so much. You're well
Thank
done.
you so much, ma'am, for all the hard work and efforts you all have put. All the kids did so well.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.